Ẹ káàsán, ẹ káalẹ́ ní gbogbo ìgbà tí ẹ bá ń wò mí. Ẹ káàbọ̀ sórí ètò yìí. Ètò yìí la mú wá sí etí ìgbọ́-yín jákèjádò orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà. Ẹ farabalẹ̀ kẹ́ tẹ́tí kí ẹ bá wa wo àwọn fídíò yìí. Ẹ bá wa like ẹ share ẹ dẹ̀ subscribe sí channel wa. Ẹ kú ojú lọ́nà o.
Cargo section of the Murtala Mohammed International Airport. Their mood succinctly captured the tales of misery and psychological torture they endured in South Africa. But now that they are back in Nigeria, the anxiety and threats from Operation Dudula and other xenophobic groups are over.
I've spent about 14 years in South Africa. So right now that I found this opportunity to come back home, I think I'm happy, I'm relieved and safe also.
They always come to that side, where I do my business, and they're always threatening us, that we should amber. Amber means for us to leave the country.
Yeah, I'm very happy because a lot have been going there. I'm very, very happy to come back with my wife.
The federal government team led by the Ministry of Foreign Affairs are working out modalities for their quick reintegration.
From the government side, the government has made provisions for all the 1,000 plus Nigerians indicated interest to return home. Arrangement has been concluded 100% and is now in the hands of the airlines and other managers of these operations.
The President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, President Ahmed Bola Tinubu, GCFR, has promised Nigerians that every Nigerian that wants to return will be brought back, and we are working on.
Alongside other members of the syndicate on the crime scene. The two would later lead the STS team to the forest cave where they usually keep hostages and the hiding spots for their weapons. Decaying bodies of the murdered victims were discovered by farmers in forest streams.
The lists of their victims are endless. This multitude behind me represent the widows and orphans created by the carnage orchestrated by the suspected murderers, kidnappers and bandits in one night.
Among them, Purity Augustine is still enveloped in the pains of losing her only son killed a year ago, after which the kidnappers took her into captivity for 4 days. Victoria Ako and Ukamaka Friday became widows overnight after their spouses encountered the syndicate in the Guadalupe attack, while Nkiruka Hilary's brother was also allegedly murdered in the same
Hey, Charlie, I told you careful. Don't see about no solo.
Your doors are broken at this point. What happened? Tell us the moment when the matches came in.
What happened is that like everyone just came in. As you can see, our gate is damaged. They just started saying us, we are Tongas, we are South African Tongas, but they started calling my daddy Kwere Kwere because he's Tonga. At some point, they were taking him to the van to be deported. And I was like, my dad, he's not foreign national, he's in South African. They were like, we don't care, he's Tonga. So they even went inside our houses, doors are broken. They even took my sister out of the shower while she was showering, naked. So we are saddened because it's also this peaceful march was not peaceful for us South African nationals. It affected our home, our sisters. My sister, she's traumatized now. So I'm saddened. I plead with the president to do something about this, because now where are we going to sleep? It's no longer safe for us to sleep. Our doors are broken, gates are broken. What's with our security as South African citizens? So
thank you very much for your time.
Come on.